Yes, all right, guys. Now let's get started with our exam. So this is our third exam. For chapter 1, we have done one exam. For chapter 2 also we have done some exam. In the chapter 3 for arrays, already we have done that. We have implemented logical programs on the arrays. Now we are working on strings now. Java full stack examination 3. Are you ready? Online people? Online call? Online people? Switch on your camera. Switch on your camera, all of you. Switch on your camera. कॉपी मत करना भाई. हाँ, सब भगवान को नमस्कार करो. Right? All of you pray to God. Ready? Ready? 1, 2, 3, start. Write a Java program to count total number of occurrences of a given character in a string. String S is equal to Java. In that string, how many times character A occurred? That is the output you need to print. Start. 10 minutes time for that program. Write a face has got blank. Write a Java program to count the total number of occurrences of a given character in the Java. So if you take one string, then you need to identify how many times character occurred in that string. If you take the string as a Java, character as A, output should be 2. If I take the character as a J, output should be only 1. J occurred only one time. A occurred 2 times. So you need to write the logic for this. Write clearly question and answer. If you want, you can write it, no problem. 10 minutes time. Don't apply your BTech skills, writing the questions for 2 times, 3 times as answer. This is main method you can write. Just you can write the main method. Don't write the question paper as answer. This is not your BTech. Write a Java program to count the total number of occurrences of a given character in the string. String S is equal to Java. In that string, you need to identify how many times A occurred, how many times A repeated. That count you need to print. No need to write class name and all. Directly start with PSVM, public static void main. You need to write the core logic. You need to write the core logic. Online students, are you doing that? Apply your brain, understand what methods are there in the string, how to use those methods, and how to write that logic. Write on your notebook. Write on your notebook. Write a Java program to count the total number of occurrences of a given string here. Write a Java program to count the total number of occurrences of a given character in string. क्या हुआ? पूछ रहे क्या उसको? If anybody trying to copy, 100 rupees fine. Come on, guys. Think and write it. Write a Java program to count the total number of occurrences of a given character in the string. First string is Java. Then character is A. So you need to find out how many times A repeated in that string. Okay, cool. Good. Guys, people already completed. No problem. Yep, perfect. Good. They're able to write it. हो गया लेके आओ. And I will read it. I will read it. You no need to write the second loop. इसको होना चाहिए. एक ही लूप बस. या सही है. क्या हुआ? Copy it. who? हाँ हाँ. क्या हुआ भाई? Understand the logic. Think what we need to do. There are some characters available. One character count you have to find. No. Hold on. Take rest. Anything. Either you can with that or you can do with that. Two options are there. Last 5 minutes. Girls, what are you doing? Not able to do? That means you are not practicing. No, it's wrong. Understand the requirement and write. It's wrong. Read the question first. For my question, for your answer, there is no match. What he is doing? That one. Writing. Write a Java program to count the total number of occurrences of a given character in string. No, wrong.
Using index operator only for characters.
This index of will tell you the first occurrence only, right? I don't want the first occurrence. I want how many times that character repeated. If I give the index of A क्या देगा आपको? 0, 1 देगा. But how many times A repeated? 2 times. Your output will be only 1, na? Wrong. दो लूप क्यों चला रहा है भाई? Why you need 2 loops?
कंपेयर कर रहे हैं ना, एक काउंट में 0 ले लिया है और इसको यहाँ पे चेक कर रहे हैं कितनी बार एक
नहीं wrong है. That is wrong. Yeah, this is right. Khatam. Right, now can I write the solution? Some people are facing the problem. Homework. Okay, first program I will show you. Look at this, guys. Look at this. What is the program? Character occurrence you have to write now. So let us take a class. Char occurrence. Char occurrence we have to find out. Now here we are taking public static void main string arguments I'm taking. String arguments I'm taking. What is my input? String s is equal to Java. In this string, I want to find out how many times a character A occurred. Char ch is equal to A. Char ch is equal to A. So A occurred once and A occurred twice. So what should be my output? My output should be 2. So here, guys, people who are not able to write it, observe carefully. Logical thinking is very important. S is equal to Java. It is one string. In that string, I want to understand how many times character A occurred. You can do this in 2 ways. You can do this in 2 ways. By using caret method, by using char array method. 2 char array method. Whatever the S is available, I'm converting that into 2 char array. String is converted into 2 char array. Now I am going to get, what I am going to get now? I'm going to get char array. I'm going to get char array. That means the Java is converted into one array. How can we loop the array? I can loop the array by using for integer I is equal to 0, I less than array dot length comma I plus plus. One loop. What is the purpose of this loop? This loop is used to traverse my array elements. Here my string is available. That string is converted to character array. Now that array I am traversing. Integer I is equal to 0, I less than array dot length and I plus plus. What I will do is if array of I, that means I will get the first character. If that first character is equal to A, if the first character is equal to A, that means I need to maintain a counter. I need to maintain a counter. Here I'm going to take one variable, integer count is equal to 0. If this condition is satisfied, I will make it as count plus plus. That's it. You need to print the count variable. हो गया. Sorry, s dot length minus 1 करना पड़ेगा. हाँ, any length. That means you can take based on the string length or you can take based on the array length. Anything is fine. Anything is fine. Now once this loop is completed, what do we need to do? System dot out dot println of count. System dot out dot println of count. Now the simple logic. Simple logic. See here. First I'm taking a class. Inside the class I'm taking a main method. String s is equal to Java, char ch is equal to a. In this Java, I want to find how many times a occurred. So here that string I am converting into character array. How to convert the string to character array? By using toChar array method. So this string is converted to character array. Now I am using a for loop to iterate the array. I want to get the array values based on the index. That means I need to get the first character. I need to get the first character from this. I need to check is it equals to a or not. I need to get the second character. I need to check is it equals to a or not. I need to get the third character, check it, is it equals to a or not. Get the fourth character and check, is it equals to a or not. So how to get all the characters and compare? For that I am writing a loop. I am writing a for loop. So for integer I is equal to 0, I less than array dot length comma I plus plus array of I will get the first character. Is the first character is equals to a. If it is equals, my count will be plus plus, count will become 1. So now first character j, is j equals to a? No, not satisfied. I value will be incremented, I value will become 1. So that means array of 1, I will get a is equals to a, then count will be incremented, count will be incremented, count will become 1. After that I value will be incremented, I value will become 2. 2 means v is equals to a? No, condition not satisfied. I value will be incremented, I value will become 3. Then it will get a equal to a, satisfied. Count value will be incremented. When it is a, first time it incremented. When it is a, second time it incremented. So count will become 2. 2 is the output. Are you guys clear? Understand? Easy or difficult? अभी तो easy है. Now it is easy because you have seen the logic. When I ask you to write it, you are not able to do. That means your brain is not working as expected. You should get the maturity. Your thought process should change. Problem solving skills are required. This is LKG standard program. Finding the occurrence of a given character in the string, LKG standard. It's a very bacha question, basic question on the strings. If you are not able to do that, means you need to keep more focus on the practice and logical thinking. Logical thinking you have to improve. Otherwise, you will not get selected in the first round also. In the first round only they will reject you if you are not able to write the logical programming. Logical programming, logical thinking is very important for the developers. Okay, this is one way of doing this. First, let me compile this and show you the output. Save this program. Character occurrence.java. Go to command prompt. Java C character occurrence.java. Java space character. Sorry. Java space character occurrence. Am I getting 2? Yes. Is my logic working as expected? Perfect. Let me write this program in another way. Let me write this program in another way. There is another logic also for this program. There is another logic also for this program. I'm writing that by using char array. Okay. Now let me remove everything. Let me remove this char array. Let me remove this also. Fine. String s is equal to Java. Char ch is equal to a into count is equal to 0. Why I am taking this count? To understand how many times that character got repeated. Now directly I'm going to write like this. For integer I is equal to 0, I less than s dot length, right? S dot length comma I plus plus, I plus plus. I'm writing a loop. This loop is used to get each character from the string. How to get one character from the string? Which method available? Caret method available. Caret method is used to get the character based on the index. Index, can I get it from the I variable? Index will be keep on incrementing. Now here I'm going to write like this. If s dot caret of I. If it is double equals to a, if it is double equals to a, then you can increment your count variable. Khatam ho gaya. How much simple it is. You no need to convert to character array also. That is one approach. This is one approach. Here I have given you string. In that string there are some characters available. In those characters you have to understand how many times character a occurred. A occurred 2 times. How can I understand in that string a occurred how many times? I will take each character from the string. I will check with a. If a occurred, increment the variable. Go to first character, get the first character, check it matching with a. If it is matching, increment it. Then go and get the second character, check with a, matching, increment it. Go for third character, compare with a, not matching, leave it. Go to fourth character, compare with a, matching, increment. 2 times it matched, 2 times it did not match. What is difficulty in that? Just you need to understand caret method. First method in the string class that we discussed. Now save this program. Now I am going to give Java by Ashok. In that string, how many times a occurred? 3 times. So can I check that? Am I going to get the output as expected? Yes. What it will do? First, my loop is going to execute. Loop is starting from 0. S dot caret of 0. First character is J. J matching with A? No. Then it will I value will be incremented. I value will become 1. Caret of 1. A. Matching? Increments. Then I value will increment. Get V. Check it. Not matching. Get A. Matching. Increment. B not matching. Y not matching. Again A will match here. Now see this. Java C char occurrence dot Java space char occurrence. Am I getting 3? So given A occurred 3 times in the given string. We are able to do that by using caret method. If you are not getting this logic into your brain, that means you are not thinking properly. You are not thinking properly. Your classmates has done the logic. Some of your friends has done the logic. They are attending my class. You are also attending my class. They are sitting in the same classroom. You are also sitting in the same classroom. Why they are able to do it? Why you are not able to do it? Their brain is working as expected. Your brain is not working as expected. That means, can you purchase the someone's brain? No. Is there any shop who will give you brain? If you pray to God, will you get the solution? No. You have to change your thought process. You have to work more. You have to do a lot of practice. Logical thinking you have to improve. Logical thinking you have to improve. If you don't improve logical thinking, you will never become a programmer. Logical thinking should be improved in every one of you. Learning is different. Solving the problem is different. Everybody understood what is the caret method, but you are not able to use that in the program. You are not able to understand where to use it, why to use it. Are you getting my point? People got stuck. Public static void main katham. They are waiting. Your friends are able to do. You are not able to do. That means you have to do more practice. You have to do more practice. Understood the first problem? Yep. Let's go to second problem. Very simple. Write a Java program to reverse a string. Write a Java program to reverse a string. Write a Java program to reverse a string. Very simple. Write a Java program to reverse a string. Input is Java, output should be Avas. Input is Java, output should be Avas. You can take input from the CMD argument also. If you want to take a dynamic input. Write a Java program to reverse a string. Why I am asking you to write the logical programs base? You will understand the concept properly when you try to implement the programs. Understanding theory is different. Writing the program is different. Programs you have to implement. Theory not important. Logical thinking is important. You have to realize. Yes, good. Just 2 lines of code. Yep, that is also correct. Multiple ways you can do that. In multiple ways you can do that. Can you do without that method? Yeah, try that. This is wrong, man. This method is not available in this class. Huh? Sorry? Without method. Yeah, you are not using it. But I told to this guy. Write a Java program to reverse a string. Wrong. What is the data type for this variable? Huh? No, reverse variable data type. Good, correct. We can do this program in 3 ways. Three different solutions we can write. Third way. Online students, are you doing this? Online people are directly posting the answer. Don't post answer in the chat box, guys. When I see your answer, offline people are copying your answer. Just don't post answer in the chat box. You just write it. अरे भाई आप दो लूप क्यों चला रहे हैं? कुछ क्यों? If you write it 2 loops, you do time complexity. ये loop end हो गया इधर. This is ch you can't access outside. It is a loop scope. हाँ इधर ये loop बंद हो गया ना. This variable will not be available outside of the loop. That is a local variable. हाँ ये इसको कोई फायदा ही नहीं है. ये wrong logic है भाई. नहीं गलत. What are you doing?
पे ले लिए ना,
हाँ,
यहाँ loop
I have 0. Array of I is equal, array of I value you are storing in the temp. That means array of I means J value will come. Then in the array of I you are storing array of length dot minus 1. So this last value you are taking and you are storing. In this value you are storing. You are repeating. Okay, array के लिए reverse करें. हाँ ठीक है.
सही है ना?
हाँ. You need to keep I minus 1 last. हाँ. ठीक है. कहाँ है?
So इधर से convert किया array को, तो array में convert करके उसको
दूसरा अप्रोच और फर्स्ट अप्रोच.
first approach this one,
हाँ.
second approach.
हाँ. ठीक है, सही है. You are printing each character in the reverse order. I want to store into the another string. When I access string, that should print the reverse. That is right, but you need to do one extra step. हो गया भाई, आपका क्या हुआ? ठीक है, चल रहा है. स्ट्रिंग रिवर्स. Last 3 minutes. Yeah, with array also you can do. Yeah, this is fine. There are multiple ways to solve this problem. There are multiple ways to solve this problem. Yeah. Completed. सब लोग. Last bits one. Show me your program. Come here. अरे थोड़ा बड़ा बुक खरीदे तो क्या होगा? ये क्या है, क्या साइज है? हाँ. No, you can do it, but this is not the right way. Why two loops are required, man? No, wrong. J कहाँ है? इधर आ गया. लूप का है. लूप कहाँ है? 2 लूप लिख रहे हैं क्या? अगर सेकंड लूप नहीं है तो J कहाँ से मिलेगा आपको? गलत है. हाँ guys, see here how easily I will solve this problem. Check this. Class string reverse. Class string reverse. So here I'm going to take public static void main string array of args. What is the input I have given? What is the input I have given? Java. String s is equal to Java. S is equal to Java. So many people are doing s dot reverse. First thing is reverse method not available in the string class. You cannot call the reverse method directly on the string. Reverse method not available in the string. Reverse method available in the string buffer. Got my point? This is invalid. If you do like this, it is invalid. Your program cannot be compiled. Reverse method not available in the string class. What we can do is you can convert the string to string buffer. String buffer SB is equal to new string buffer of S. Whatever the string object available, that string object I am passing to string buffer. Then I can call SB dot reverse. Then I can call SB dot reverse. What it is going to give? It will give me reversed string. That's it. 2 lines of code to reverse a string. Yes. No need to store another value also. Directly you can access that SB also. Directly you can access that SB also. But when you're printing, you need to use a toString, something like that. Yeah. So here system dot out dot println directly SB. Okay. Save this program. What is my class name? String reverse dot Java. Go to command prompt. Java C string reverse dot Java. Java space string reverse. Khatam. एक ही line. People are not able to write this logic also. String already we explained. In the string buffer, there is a reverse method, but my input is a string. That string should be converted to string buffer. We already discussed how to create a string buffer object. String buffer SB is equal to new string buffer of S. So whatever the string object I have, that string object I converted to string buffer object. I am reversing the string buffer directly. That can be reversed because string buffer is a mutable. Directly content can be modified. Then I am printing that string buffer. So this method is reversing just to 2 lines of code. People are not able to do that as well. People are writing two loops, nested loops. Why? 2 loops are not required. This is very simple approach. String is I am not asking you to do it in only one approach. Any approach you can use, whatever you want. I'm giving the flexibility. There are 3-4 ways available to write this logic. This is one of the way. If you write this, I'm happy. At least you understood reverse method available in the buffer class. But people are directly calling s dot reverse. S dot reverse will not work out. S is a variable which belongs to string class. In the string class, reverse method not available. So reverse method available in the string buffer. String should be converted to string buffer first. Then on the buffer, you can call the reverse method. What is this, guys? You are not behaving like a professionals. Can I write another way? People are asking, we want to complete Java full stack in 3 months. We want job. How? 20 years already wasted. You wasted 20 years. Chindi school, Chindi college. 20 years already wasted. Suddenly you woke up. You came to Amirpet, coming to institute. We will pay 25,000. We want a job in 3 months. How you will get it, man? If you want to get the job, you should have that skill. See, in your class only competition is there. Some people are able to write the program within 2 minutes. Tomorrow, if for all of you, I will conduct that drive. Company will select whom? The people who are writing the code, the people who are smart. There is a competition. Within our class only competition is there. Tomorrow, one company will come. Drives, companies are eagerly waiting to conduct the drives. I am stopping them. Still, our people are in the basics only. Once our core and advanced completed, companies will come every weekend to conduct the interview. So when they conduct the interview, hardly 5 to 6 people will clear. Remaining 45 people will not able to clear because logically you are not strong. You have to focus how to improve that. How to improve that. If you just to do the course, if you just to listen my class, you will not get the job. You have to practice. आपका दिमाग काम करना है. You have to think. Logical thinking. सबको एक ही brain. But how you are using that makes the difference. You are eating food. I'm also eating food. Your friends also eating food. Why I'm able to think? Why they are able to think? Why you are not able to think? You have to question yourself. Hard work karna padega. When I learned Java in the 2012, I used to work 18 hours in a day for practice. I worked as a lab assistant in the institute so that I can discuss subject with the people. At that time, I also don't know anything. I'm also a fresher, but I joined as a lab coordinator because people will ask the doubt. I'm getting some doubts. People are getting some doubts. We formed as a group. We discussed. That's how we got more clarity on the subject. We are able to crack the job 10 years back with the fake experience. 3.5 years fake experience I kept and I got the job. In the 2013, I got the job. First salary 60,000. 10 years back. You can see. 1 year, 3 months I have spent to crack the interview. 10 interviews I got failed. In the 11th interview, I got the job. That was hard work. 1 year, I have not been to my home also. I was in the Amirpet for 1 year. 7 o'clock we will go to institute. My class evening 5 o'clock. 7 o'clock I will go to institute. Practice, practice, practice. 10 hours, more than 10 hours we practice. At that time, these many resources are not available. When I attend the Java class, my class strength is 1200 members in the Rekul shed. Some days we will not get the seat also. I have listened the class by standing for few days. If I am late, I will not get the chair. That much demand was there at that time. Now so many institutes came, so many online platforms came. You have the Udemy's, you have YouTube videos, internet materials, everything is there. 10 years back, kuch bhi nahi hai. You have to understand, you have to utilize that properly, you have to work on it. If you don't improve logical thinking, you cannot crack the first round because I'm giving very simple programs. So now you have to realize already 1 month completed. 1 month complete theory आपको अच्छे से समझ में आ रहा है, but logical thinking required. And I'm betting in the Amirpet, the faculties who are teaching core Java, they will just to teach you concept with one program. That's it. If you go to other institute core Java, by this time, OOPS also will complete. Arrays, concept, one program. Strings, concept, one program. But I'm spending some time for logical programming also in the classroom because nowadays interviews became difficult. Logical thinking is mandatory. Understand that point. You can check with your friends in the hostel who are doing Java full stack, how they are learning core Java. String, concept, एक ही program, बस string हो गया. Arrays, arrays concept, एक ही program, arrays हो गया. Oops, 10 days completed. Within 2 months, they are able to complete core Java. Within 1 month, I'm not able to enter into strings, into oops also. That is the reason I'm taking class at 5 o'clock so that I can spend 3 hours. You have to realize, guys. Now, string S is equal to Java. String buffer SB is equal to new string buffer. SB dot reverse. What is the meaning of reverse? To reverse the string. Reverse is my method. Reverse is a predefined method. Predefined method. In which class that method is available? String buffer. The reverse method available in the buffer. So can I call S dot reverse directly? No. The S is a string. I'm converting the string to buffer. Then buffer I am reversing. That is one approach. Let me go for second approach now. Let me go for second approach now. Here I'm taking another string reverse. I'm taking another string reverse. For integer I is equal to 0. I less than S dot length. I less than S dot length. S dot length I plus plus. If I do like this, I will get the string characters from starting, but I want to reverse it. That means I need to start from 0 or I need to start from the last index. Should I start from the first index or I need to start from the last index? Last index. How can I start from the last index? Int I is equal to s dot length minus 1. Then here I will give like this, I greater than or equal to 0. I will give it as a I minus minus. So what is the meaning of that? I am getting the string characters from the last. Length minus 1. What is the length here? 4. My string length is 4. 4 minus 1. What is the meaning of that? Index is 3. So index is 3. Now I am going to get s dot caret. S dot caret of I. S dot caret of I. What is the I value? Length minus 1. What is the length here? 4. 4 minus 1. 3. S dot caret of 3. 0, 1, 2, 3. That means which character I will get? Last character. That is A. That last character I will store in the rev variable. Rev is also one string. Rev is equal to rev plus s dot caret of I. What will happen? Rev is a variable. In the rev variable, it is empty. Empty string variable I created. Now I have taken integer I is equal to s dot length minus 1, I greater than or equal to 0, I minus minus. So I value starting from 3, caret of 3, what I will get? I will get A. Rev plus A. When I do rev plus A, rev is empty, it will become A. I value will be decremented. I value will become 2. When I value is 2, 0, 1, 2, what I will get? V. Now rev is equal to rev plus V. In the rev already A available, it will become A plus V. It will become A plus V. Then I value will become 1. It will decrement now. I value 1 means what I will get? A. A I am going to get, right? A. Rev is equal to rev plus caret of I. So rev means already AB available. Again A will come. Again A will be added to that. Then I value will become 0. I value will become 0. Then S of caret of 0. J value will come. Rev is equal to rev plus J. Ava plus J. That is avas. This is also one approach to reverse the string. Got my point? So I'm getting last character, I'm appending to one variable. I'm getting the last character, appending to one variable. So that last character I'm getting based on a index. Index I'm starting from the last position, I'm decrementing till first position. Is this right answer? Will it work out? Yes, try this. This is one approach. Converting the string object to string buffer I am reversing. Now, this is another approach. String s is equal to Java, string rev is equal to empty, into I is equal to s dot length minus 1, I greater than or equal to 0, and I minus minus. Rev is equal to rev plus caret of I. So I'm appending each character to existing rev variable. Save this. Save this program. Instead of hard coding the string, can I take this string as a command line argument? Can I read the string as a command line argument? How can I read that as a command line argument? String s is equal to args of 0. Do I need to do any typecasting? No, I need a string only. It will also give me string only. So I'm taking this as a command line argument. Now compile my program. Java C space Java C space, what is the class name? String reverse. Java C space string reverse dot Java. Java space string reverse. Can I pass input? What is the command line argument? The value that we are supplying as an input for the main method. The value that we are supplying as input for the main method. String reverse, I'm giving Java. It is not printing. Why? System.out.println of I need to print that reversed content or not? REV. So the reversed data is stored in the REV. I'm printing that REV. Okay, compile once again. Java C string reversed at Java. Java space string reverse space Java. Sir, why Java available first and Java available last? First Java is a command, last Java is a input. First Java is a command, last Java is a input. Okay, Java. Is it reversed? Yes or no? Now, instead of Java, can I give our institute name? Yes, that also reversed. Tikosha, something like that. All right. Now, Java space string reverse. String reverse. I'm giving it as a spring. Spring. Am I able to reverse that? Is my logic working as expected? So how many ways I use now? 2 ways. One is by using reverse method. Second one by using caret method. From last to first I'm using another variable to store that. Now this is one approach. Can I do one more approach? Yeah, by using character array also we can do it. Yes. Now I want to do it by using character array. Remove everything. String s is equal to args of 0. What is the meaning of string s is equal to args of 0? Come on. Yes, string s is taking the first command line argument. Can I convert that string to char array? Yes or no? I'm converting that string to char array. That is 2 char array. 2 char array. That means char, that is array. Char array is equal to 2 char array. Now I'm going to write for integer I is equal to what I need to do? 0 also I can take, or I can take the last index also, right? From last I can get the character, I can store into another array. From last I can take that and I can store in the another array. How can I do that? Integer I is equal to array s dot length, or you can use array dot length also. Array dot length. What is the length? -1 I have to provide. Length means, size means last index, right? Size -1 will become last index because index is starting from 0. If index starts from 1, -1 not required, but array index, string index starting from 0. Int I is equal to array dot length -1, then I greater than or equal to 0, then I minus minus, then I minus. What it will give me? It will give me each character from the array from last to first. It will give me each character from the array from last to first. Then what should I do? What should I do? Another array can I create now? Yes or no? Char array temp is equal to new char of array dot length. Whatever the array is available with the same size, I am creating another array. Sorry? Yeah, directly you can store. Then it will become a second approach. Taking a string variable, appending the character to the string also. That's also fine. So if you want that, we can do it. So string s1 is equal to empty. Okay. Now what I can do? S1 is equal to S1 plus array of I. Katam. Right? Now I can print system.out.println of S1. Yeah. So I'm taking my string as a command line argument. That string I'm converting into character array. That character array I am looping. I'm getting the each character from the array from last to first. Each character I am adding to string variable. Let's try this program. Java C string reverse dot Java. Okay, Java space string reverse space Java. Are we able to do it? So this is third way that you can do. This is a third way that we can do. And can I do in the fourth way? Directly, can I use a caret? Can I loop the string directly? Swapping also we can do. Directly I can loop the string from last to first directly. There are multiple ways are there to do this. Got my point? Yes. Fine. So we are able to understand how to write a program to reverse a string. Let's go to third problem. Write a Java program to check given string is a palindrome or not. What is the palindrome? Madam, Liril, whatever the string, if you reverse that string, if both are same, then that is called as a palindrome. For example, if you see here, now if you read the string from left side or right side, it will be same. That is called as a palindrome. Liril. If you read it from left side, Liril. If you read from right side also, Liril. Okay. If you take a madam, if you read from left side or if you read from right side also, it is the same, madam. So any string which is equal to the reverse of that string is called as a palindrome. Now I will give you one string. Your logic should tell me that string is a palindrome or not. If you apply common sense, you can do it within 2 minutes. Understand what is palindrome first. What is a palindrome? What is a palindrome? One key? No, it is not a. Online students, is my voice audible? Is my voice audible for online students? Yeah. Write the logic. Write a Java program to check given string is a palindrome or not. Write a Java program to check given string is a palindrome or not. No, no, wrong. It will not give the correct answer. Data means your variable,
Yes.
original string. Yeah.
So, this method I don't do the loyalty uppercase.
Yes, correct. Write a Java program to check given string is a palindrome or not. I is equal to 0, I less than length, I plus plus, j length minus a length minus 1, last index greater than 0, j minus 1. First character you are comparing with last character. Then what is this S? Why are you printing the characters? Why are you printing this character? No.
If I put
I don't want to print the data. I want to tell you whether it is a palindrome or not. You need to decide that if it is a palindrome, you need to print it is palindrome. If not, you need to print it is not palindrome. What is the purpose of double equals? That is fine. The logic is correct. What is this? It is going to compare address. You need to compare address or you need to compare the content. Then long, wrong. क्या
content compare
लॉजिक कहाँ है? Where is the logic?
content compare it is double equals
You should not take like this, na. You, how you got this C S2? Where is S2? I will give you only S1, na. Where is S2? How you got S2? You should not do that. You need to reverse it. ये वाला क्या?
पहले कन्वर्ट कर लिए हैं आयरा में, उसके बाद ये स्ट्रिंग का वेरिएबल ले लिए हैं, ये लूप चला लिए हैं डिवाइड बाय 2 करके, लेंथ डिवाइडेड बाय 2 करके, उसके बाद आई का कंपेयर कर लिए लेंथ -1 माइनस आई वो स्टोर कर.
Where is the logic to decide it is palindrome or not? हाँ, वो भी लिखना पड़ेगा. Directly you cannot compare one string with a string buffer. One string cannot be compared with a string buffer directly.
Both address are same. Okay, then.
How many times it will print palindrome? That's fine. How many times this SOP will execute? One time. Every time inner loop executed, every time it matches the condition, it will execute. It will execute so many times. This is not correct.
Honestly, I forgot this because I brainstormed so much, but honestly, I forgot this part. I was going like what in just we did in integer. I was trying to do that.
This is another string you have taken.
Yes.
What is the name?
NST, a new string.
NEST. Yeah. Okay. Correct.
Correct.
It is wrong. S is what? String. You are calling S dot reverse. Wrong. Yeah, right. There are multiple ways to do this also. It's not only one approach. There are multiple ways to do this. I'm giving you one string. You need to reverse it and you need to compare with the original string. If original string and reversed string are same, then it is palindrome. Otherwise, it is not palindrome. इतना simple है भाई. Write a Java program to check given string is a palindrome or not. Last 3 minutes. 3 ladies. You have not shown one program also. What are you doing? इतना इतना करने की जरूरत ही नहीं है. हाँ हाँ, एक बार आप लैपटॉप में करके देखो. Now tell me, in 3 months, will you get the job? Will you get the job in 3 months? Done. Show me that. String S is equal to string buffer. What are you doing here? Where is the reverse? It is wrong. There is total program itself is wrong. From here, everything is wrong. Wrong. Write a Java program to check given string is a palindrome or not. What happened? Are you able to do it, ladies? Not able to do. अरे भाई, आप क्या कंपेयर कर रहे हो इधर?
सर इसका एड्रेस, क्योंकि सर एड्रेस तो सेम रहेगा क्योंकि सेम नहीं हो रहा है. एड्रेस में
But that is not the right way to compare the strings, right?
तो सर ये इक्वल टू
Same कैसे होगा address? A string ना simple. 1 minute. String S is equal to you are taking as a literal. It is stored in the constant pool. You are reversing, right? So this will become same now. The address you are comparing, ठीक है? हाँ.
मेमोरी सर सेम होगा ना.
Dot equals लिखना. ये भी चलेगा double equals because content is same in the string pool. If we reverse that also, it is also becoming a same string, right? ऑब्जेक्ट नया ऑब्जेक्ट नहीं बनता है आपका, बिकॉज कंटेंट रिवर्स करने तो भी सेम ही रहेगा. ओ चलो, नाउ सी हियर. Now I want to check the given string is a palindrome or not. Let me write the logic. There are multiple ways to do that. I will show you 2 approaches. ठीक है? Bye. You are not writing even single program. You have to work very hard from tomorrow. Class, I'm going to check palindrome. Ladies also, you are also not able to write single program as well. आईडी अभी तो नहीं, बाद में राइट लिखता हूँ. हाँ ठीक है. Right guys, now see here, class palindrome. Class palindrome is available. That is my class name. Public static void main. I'm taking string arguments. So what is this string argument? Command line argument. I'm taking one string from command line argument. string s is equal to args of 0. That means I'm accepting one command line argument. This is the string na. Now, suppose for example, I'm getting this string as a madam. Anything, little, madam, there are some keywords are available now. I'm getting string s is equal to args of 0. It's a madam. Now, I need to reverse this string and I need to store into another variable. I need to reverse this s variable data. I need to store into another variable. How to reverse a string? We already know. Integer I is equal to s dot length minus 1. I greater than or equal to 0. I minus minus. What is the meaning of this? What I am doing now? I'm taking the string from the last character to first character. So now to store that, I'm taking one more variable string s1. I'm taking one more variable string s1. Now I will give s1 is equal to s1 plus s dot caret of I. S1 is equal to S1 plus S dot caret of I. What is the meaning of this? Now, for example, let me take it as madam directly. Later I will change it to command line argument. String S is equal to madam. String S1 is equal to empty. इसमें कुछ नहीं है. It is just one empty string. Now, I is equal to S dot length minus 1. What is the length of this string? 5. Length of the string is 5. 5 minus 1 matlab it will become 4. It will become 4. So now I'm getting caret of 4. What is the character of 4? This is 0th character. This is first character, second character, third character, fourth character. So in the S1, M value will be stored. M value will be stored. After that I minus minus. I value will become 3. It started from 4. One iteration completed. It will become 3. What is the meaning of 3? 0, 1, 2, 3. Third character, third position character, A. A will come. A will be added to S1. S1 is equal to S1 plus caret of 3. That means it will become A. Then it will going to get the next character, get the next character, get the next character. So every character we are getting from the S variable from last to first, and I'm storing into S1. So now S is my original string, S1 is my reversed string. My original string, reversed string, if both are equal, then it is a palindrome. If not equal, not a palindrome. What is the business logic there? I already told you what is palindrome. If you reverse the string, reversed string is equal to original string, then it is called palindrome. Otherwise, it is not a palindrome. Now, here I have S variable I have, S1 I have created, S variable value I'm reading from last to first and I'm adding to S1. Finally, here I'm going to write if S dot equals, ignore case or equals. If S dot equals S1, what is the purpose of equals? Checking the content, comparing S and S1 both are equal or not. Here I am going to write system dot out dot println, system dot out dot println, palindrome, palindrome, else not palindrome. People are writing two for loops. I don't understand why. Palindrome and not palindrome. This is one string. I'm reversing that string and I'm storing S1. In the previous example, we already discussed how to reverse a string. I already explained how to reverse a string in the previous example. You've seen the code also. Same, based on the same concept I have given the next example. I'm giving you one string. You reverse that string. You compare reversed string with the original string. If both are same, it is palindrome. Otherwise, not a palindrome. दिमाग काम नहीं कर रहा आपको. Guys, please, you have to work very hard. String S is equal to madam. Instead of a hard coding, can I take like this? Args of 0. What is the meaning of args of 0? I'm taking the command line argument because I can pass multiple values at the time of running the program. Okay, I'm taking s is equal to args of 0. S1 I'm taking as one string. I am reversing the string. In the previous example, we understood how to reverse it. S string is having data. I'm reversing S string. I'm storing into S1. So S contains original string. S1 contains reversed string. If S content is equal to S1 content, that means it is a palindrome. Take this. Palindrome. Save the program. Palindrome.java. Okay. Now, Java C. Java C. Palindrome.java. Java C. Palindrome.java. Java space. Palindrome. Let me give madam. Palindrome. Let me give keep. Is it palindrome? If you reverse the keep, it will become pick. Keep and pick both are not same. Not palindrome. Let me give my name. Palindrome or not? Not a palindrome. Let me give Liril. Palindrome or not? Palindrome. It is working. Look at the code. Are you getting the logic who are not able to write it? Logic is simple. You should get that idea. That spark should be there in your brain. Completed. Copying the ladies, copying the code is not important. You have to write it. When I write the code, you are noting down that. That's not important. Think, think and write it on your own. Copying, third class student also can do. This is one solution. Let me go for another solution. Every program I am writing in multiple ways. Someone is asking, sir, will you upload these programs? Yeah, bhai. Yes. Yep. Now see another approach. I have string yes. Yes is coming from CMD argument. S is coming from CMD argument. Can I directly reverse it? I have a string. Can I reverse directly the string? No. Why? That method is not available. Where that method available? String buffer. So can I convert this string to string buffer? Yes. How can I do that? String buffer SB is equal to new string buffer of yes. Now can I directly do this SB dot reverse? Can I directly do this SB dot reverse? Now I have reversed it. Now can I, this is S is holding original content, SB is holding reversed content. You just need to compare them. If S content is equals to SB content, it is a palindrome. Otherwise, it is not a palindrome. Mismatch, yes. Mismatch. Understand how I am reversing easily. In the previous logic, I reversed the string directly by using a loop. Now I'm reversing a string by using string buffer. String buffer. Now observe. If S dot equals SB. Why I am using equals? Why not double equals? Come on. I want to compare the content, not the address, because S is one object, SB is one object. For every object, unique address will be available. Address will not match at any cost. Now, here, if S dot equals to SB, I am writing system dot out dot println. I am going to mention that as palindrome. Okay, here I am going to specify system.out.println, not palindrome. This program will work or will not work? Will not work. Will not work. One string you can compare with another string. Am I getting my point? I'm getting throat pain, guys. One scolding a lot. I'm not teaching a lot. Am I scolding or I'm teaching? Right. So here I have string s. S is a variable which is belongs to string data type. You will understand the value of my teaching if you attend the classes in the other institute. Yes or no? There are some people who already attended in other institute and came here. When you will know the quality, if you compare, if you directly attend my classes, you will not realize that. एक बार market में so many institutes are there. एक बार उधर जाके आओ, पता चलेगा कितना फर्क है बोल के. How much difference is there in my teaching? Other Java, you can bet with any faculty in Amirpet. You can bet with any faculty. Nobody can come to our level. That is for sure. It is already proven in the market. Why our students are getting 18 lakhs package, 25 lakhs package? Content, working real time. The people who are teaching, they are already outdated in the market. Okay, you need to learn the course from working person. He will give you right content. If you go for other institute, JDBC, they will teach you for 3 months. Java, database, connectivity, Java program will connect with the database. 3 months is waste of time because we don't use JDBC directly in the real-time project. There are so many frameworks came on top of JDBC. They will waste your time by teaching outdated content. Now in the market, people are teaching Spring framework with the XML approach. Yesterday one student came, sir, my Spring Boot classes started 3 months back, XML approach completed, next week we are going for annotations. By 3 महीने पूरा waste हो गया. You have to learn the Spring Boot directly with a annotation, not XML. Who is using XML? ये 5 साल का पहले की बात है वो. 5 years back we used to work with XML. We are in 2022. XML got outdated. JSON came into market. YMLs came into market. Why are you learning XML? That maturity you need to have. Those faculties will teach you. Why? They also don't know what is happening in the industry. You have to choose the right trainers. Right. String S is equal to args of 0. String buffer SB is equal to new string buffer of S. What I have done with the string buffer? I have reversed it. So now S is having original content, SB is having reversed content. Now here I am using equals method. S dot equals. Equals is a static method or non-static method. Am I calling that with a class name or object name? Non-static method. Which class equals method I am calling? From which class I am calling the equals method? String. S is a string object na. S dot equals means string class equals method I am calling. String class equals method is available to compare content of two strings. But what I am doing? I am comparing string content with string buffer content. Oh, fail ho jayega. Are you guys getting my point? What is the purpose of equals method? Equals method is used to compare the content of two strings. But here S dot equals to SB. Is it going to success? Check it. Check it. Java C palindrome.java compiled successfully. Java space palindrome space madam. What it is telling? Equals method can take any object. Not only string, it can take any object. The equals method parameter is object type. What it is saying that? Not palindrome. But actually, madam is a palindrome or not palindrome? My program is compiling, my program is running, but output galat aa raha hai. That means logic is incorrect. Program compiled successfully, program running successfully, but output is incorrect. Madam is a palindrome, but my program is telling not palindrome. Wrong implementation. Getting my point? Why it is giving us a wrong output? Data type issue. I'm comparing S with SB. S is a string, SB is a string buffer. What I should do now? String buffer value of is used to convert primitive type to string type. SB is a primitive type or SB is a string buffer? Two string method available na? What is the purpose of two string method? To convert any object into string object. If I convert SB to string, can I compare string with string? Yes. How can I compare that? How can I convert it? Now I can convert it. String S1 is equal to SB dot to string. Now S dot equals to S1. That's it. Coding we cannot buttify. Coding we cannot buttify because today I am giving how to write a program to check palindrome. If you buttify this code, tomorrow will you get the same question in the interview? May or may not. May or may not. Buttifying ratta mat marna. Buttifying will not make you programmer. If you buttify the code, you will become stupid. You need to improve the ability to think. You need to think and you need to write that code. Thinking is very important for the programmer. Sir, initially you told Java is a simple language. Java is simple. आपका दिमाग काम नहीं कर रहा है. If Java is hard, your friend also should not be able to write the logic. I should not be able to write the logic. If it is difficult, we all are human beings. It should be difficult for everybody. Why some people are able to write? Why some people not able to write? Some people IQ is working, your IQ is not working. आपका दिमाग सो गया है. It is sleeping. You need to wake it up. You need to work hard. You need to work hard. S dot equals S1. Here I have string variable. It is a command line argument. String variable I converted to string buffer. Why I am converting string to string buffer? Why I am converting string to string buffer? I am reversing that. Why I am reversing? My logic is to check the palindrome. One string, if it is equal to reversed string, then it is palindrome. I have a string. I can do the reverse by using like this, or previous approach. I can do reverse like this also. Two ways are there. My intention, compare original string with the reversed string. Then it is a palindrome. S is equal to args of 0. String buffer SB is equal to new string buffer. SB dot reverse. Why I am converting string buffer to string again? Why I am converting string buffer to string again? Equals method will compare two strings here. One string should be compared with the another string. But my reverse is a buffer. Buffer should be converted to string. How to convert buffer to string? Buffer dot to string. Now I got the S1 string, S string. S is my original string, S1 is my reversed string. If original string is equal to reversed string, that is a palindrome. Otherwise, it is not a palindrome. That is a decision making. My program is taking a decision and printing the output. All right, save this. Go and execute. Java C space palindrome dot Java compiled successfully. Java space palindrome space madam. What it is saying? Palindrome. I'm giving little. What is this? Palindrome. I'm giving demo. Not palindrome. It's working. Clear. Two ways. It is just reversing. If you understand how to reverse it, it is easy. Perfect. After I am writing the code, everything is easy. But when you start writing on your own, then you will feel difficulty. Same thing is happening. Evening 8:30, JRTP, from 3 days, classes are not happening because they are not doing the assignment. If they don't do the assignment, I will not take the class. It's simple, straightforward. I don't want scrap. If they really do my assignment, then only I will take the class. That is the agreement we had in the demo session only. I will tell very clearly. For you people also I told. For you, movie is not yet started. Movie is not yet started. Not only here. Before starting Ashok IT, I worked in the other institute as a trainer. Wherever I take the class, people will fear to come to my class. If they come to my class, there are some rules and regulations. They have to follow. Otherwise, I don't entertain them. If you don't do the assignment, I will not allow to the class. I don't want you. If you are really interested, then only come here. Then only come here. You have to do the work. We are having 95% success rate. I don't want to bring down. I don't want to bring down. If you get the job, then only I will feel happy. You can understand all the 50 people who are attending offline, all are from the references only. All are from the references only. That is the quality. When your friend will refer to an institute, if he already got the job, then only he will refer. Otherwise, he will not refer. Perfect. So we are able to complete. Third problem. Java program to check given string is a palindrome or not. Let's go for fourth problem. Lag gayi. Not understand the question, I will explain. Now, write a Java program to check given two strings are anagrams or not. Anagram nothing but all the characters of one string. If it is present in the another string, then those two strings are anagrams. Now, if you see, keep is available. In the keep, what are the characters available? K, E, E, P. If you go to pick, P is available, double E available, K is available. If you go to Ashok, ASHOK. If you go to Kosha, ASHOK is available. So the characters of one string present in the another string, then only those strings are called as anagrams. Now let me take some example for you. It is ABC. My first string, observe guys, string S1 is equal to ABC. Now string S2 is equal to BAC. Anagrams are not. Anagrams are not. Anagrams. Why? What are the letters, characters available in the S1? Same characters available in S2. Then only they are anagrams. For example, if I take string S1 is equal to XYZ. Okay. String S2 is equal to ZXY. Anagrams are not. Anagrams are not. Anagrams. Why? All the characters available in the S1, X, Y, Z. Here also X available, here also Y available, here also Z available. They are anagrams. Now, this is one set. These are anagrams. This is one set. These are anagrams. Now, I'm going for another set. String S1 is equal to Raju. String S2 is equal to Rani. Anagrams are not anagrams. Not anagrams. Why? In the first string J available, in the second string J not available, in the first string U available, in the second string U not available. So if all the characters of one string present in the another string, then only they are called as anagrams. Otherwise, they are not anagrams. Start. Start. Online people, come on. Question चाहिए आपको? हाँ. You can take the inputs. Take the two inputs from the CMD. Take the two strings from the CMD. I will give two strings input from the CMD. Your program should tell me they are anagrams or they are not anagrams. Here no need of reversing. Reversing not required here. If one string characters present in the second string, then only we can call them as anagrams. If one string characters are exactly equal to another string characters, then only they are anagrams. I have given book and bomb. Anagrams are not anagrams? Not anagram. Race and care. Anagrams are not anagrams. Race and care. Anagrams. RACE. Here also. Care also having RACE. Write a Java program to check given two strings are anagrams or not. Write a Java program to check given two strings are anagrams or not. Write a Java program to check given two strings are anagrams or not. If one string characters are exactly matching with another string characters, then only they are called as anagrams. Online students, are you writing? I will say that.
What I'm doing, I'm taking a string pick, I'm taking two blank strings. Okay. Now this is not required. Okay, I'm taking one blank string, and what I'm doing, I'm converting it to a character array. I'm taking a character array, and the character array length is same the length of the string. For I equal to 0, I is less than str.length. In array, I'm based in the second string. I'm passing the str.length values. Now I'm checking from same I equal to 0, I is less than now str.length, the first one. If str.length of I equal to in str.length of I SOP anagram, is not anagram. When I am checking if P, and I am stored that P is also in there, and I am checking P with every money, if the P E A K P K E E money, if I have restarted or distorted it else, but the P the
Simply what you can do, whatever the two characters we are taking, S1 and S2, right?
Yeah, I'm taking a string, new string.
Yes, so you can do one thing simply. Isko A karo, isko A karo. If both are equals.
What is SQR?
No, not SQR.
Oh. But this is.
Yeah. This will also work, right? Two multiple ways. For every program, multiple ways. Simplest way I have given you. SBR array also fine. Tough. 3 lines. Within 3 lines, we can find out that.
सारे कैरेक्टर्स इस से चेक करेंगे, अगर वो मैच करेगा तो काउंट को प्लस कर देंगे, और अगर काउंट 0 मेरा पहले से, अगर 1 से ज्यादा हुआ मतलब 2 बार मैच करेगा तो एनाग्राम होगा, नहीं तो वो एनाग्राम नहीं होगा।
तो नहीं, गलत है। CH of I is equal to CH of J. ठीक है? Now, first one I am giving as a keep. Okay? Second one I am giving as a peaks. Then क्या होगा? ये सब characters इसमें present है. Because character of I is equal to character of J. Keep तक ये match हो गया. Okay? So when every character is matching, count variable you are incrementing. Now, S variable is available here. It is not available here. Then still you are saying that anagram. What is this method? Two caret method is not available. Caret is available, two char array is available. Which one you are using? Caret. That means you are taking first character. X. What is X? No, wrong. There is no logic at all. You have to write the logic. Nayora. First of all, are you clear with the question? What is the question? Two strings should contain same literals, then only those two strings are called as anagrams. Keep is there, peak is there. Whatever the characters available in the keep, same characters available in the peak also. Then only they are called as anagrams. If you go to race and care, RACE available, here also RACE characters available, those are also anagrams. If you go to Ashok and Kosha, ASHOK available, there also A available, SS available, S available, H available, O available, K available. Two strings literals should be same. Order can be anything. Two string literals should be same. Order can be anything. Then they are called as anagrams. When I take book and bomb, they are not anagrams. Why? Literals are not matching. Anagram only, na? It will not check the order. Order can be anything. Just order is not important. What are the characters available in the first string? all those characters available in the second string or not. It is going to check that. Same, exactly, only once. Here it occurs once, now there also it should occur only one. Huh? Simple. See here. Class, anagram. I'm writing the class anagram. In this class, I'm going to take a main method. Public static void main string arguments. Command line arguments. How many strings we need? 2. Can I take them like this? String s1 is equal to args of 0. String s1 is equal to args of 0. String s2 is equal to args of 1. What is the meaning of this? First command line input and second command line input. How can I check all the characters of one string available in the another string? Can I use a contains? S1 dot contains S2. Can I use S1 dot contains of S2? Contains will not work out. Contains will check the sequence of the characters, right? But for anagrams, sequence is important or sequence is not important? Sequence is not important. Keep is available, peak available. There is no sequence. Characters should present, that's it. Character should present, that's it. Now, can I do like this? Can I? So let me take like this, guys. Now here, I'm taking S1. I'm taking S1 is equal to keep. I'm taking S1 is equal to keep. I'm taking S2 is equal to peak. Okay. I'm taking S1 is equal to keep. S2 is equal to peak. Now, all the characters of the S1 should present in the S2. Then only they are anagrams. For example, if it is available like this, not anagram. So the first thing is we need to check the size of the strings are same or not. If size is different, do I need to write any logic? Simplest solution to identify they are not anagrams. First to check the length. First string length equal to second string length, then there is a chance of anagrams. If the length is not matching, there is no chance. So can I write that logic first? If s1 dot length not equals to s2 dot length. If s1 dot length not equals to s2 dot length, what is the output? System dot out dot println given strings are not anagrams. Why? The length is not matching. After executing this, no need to execute anything. Just to return it, stop the program. Stop the program. Do I need to execute any logic to check the compare the characters? Not required. Why? They are not going to match because one string length is not matching with another string. So 100% they are not anagrams. So when I know that the length is not same, I can stop my program there only. Return. That means stop the program there only. Method come out from the main method. This is the first step. Okay. If this condition satisfied, I no need to execute anything. If this condition satisfied, I no need to execute anything. If this condition not satisfied, what is the meaning of that? There may be a chance, may become anagram, may not become anagram. That we need to check it. Lengths are same now. If this condition satisfied, 100% they are not going to become anagrams. If this condition not satisfied, there is a possibility that we have to find out by writing our own logic. Getting my point? Yes. Simplest way, what I will do is arrays dot sort of s1 dot to char array. S1 I am converting to array. That array I am sorting. That array I am sorting. Now I am going for arrays dot sort of s2 dot to char array. s2 dot to char of array. What I am doing now? I am sorting the two arrays. After sorting two arrays, if they are equal, anagrams. If they are not equal, not anagrams. Two lines of code. Samjha? Understand the logic now? Yes. Arrays dot sort. Now let's go to arrays class. What is the return type of the sort method? We have to check it now, right? What is the return type of the sort method? Arrays dot sort of to char array. Let's go here. Let's go here. JSE API. We are opening the JSE API. Arrays class available in which package? Arrays class available in which package? Lang package or util package? Util package. Java.util. In the util, there is a class called arrays. Check it. Arrays class available. In the arrays class, can you check the methods? So there is a method called sort method. Already we discussed in the arrays how to sort the array. Sort method I used, and without sort method also we are able to sort the array. Go to sort method. Now here, what is this? Equals available. So can we check two arrays are equal or not? Can we check two arrays are equal or not? Yes or no? Now I can do one thing here. I can do one thing. Integer a array. Integer a array is equal to s1 dot to char array. I converted s1 to character array. Then I am going to write int b array is equals to s2 dot to char array. Then what happened? A is one array, b is one array. Now here directly can I sort arrays dot sort of s1? Can I sort like this? Arrays dot sort of s2? Sorry, ab. Sorry. A and b. Got my point? What I am trying to do? First I am converting the string to array. How I am converting string to array? How I am converting string to array? To char array, right? So now s1 dot to char array, it is stored into a. What is a now? Integer array. Sorry. Right. Sorry. Right. Char array. To char array. That means what I am doing here? String I am converting into character array, not integer. String I am converting into character array. So A is one character array, B is one character array. I am sorting arrays dot sort of A, arrays dot sort of B. Now these characters are sorted. Character arrays are sorted. Now we can check arrays dot equals A comma B. Arrays dot equals A comma B. It will give us Boolean status, Boolean flag. You can keep anything, Boolean flag. If a flag is true, anagram. If flag is not true, not anagram. Instead of that, can I directly like this? System dot out dot println of arrays dot equals of A comma B. If it is anagram, it will print as true. If not, it will print as false. True means anagram, false means not anagram. If you want that statement, you need to write the if else condition. All right. Arrays is a predefined class. Let's import that package. How to import? Import java.util.star. Import java.util.star. Take this, save this program. Anagram.java. Write this. Java C space anagram.java. Now Java space anagram. Two strings it is expecting. Let me give keep and pick. Anagrams are not anagrams. The characters are same. Okay. Now if I give picks, given two strings are not anagrams. Why I am getting that message? Here only it failed. Is this logic executed? No. Why the logic is not executed? My if condition not satisfied. First string length not matching with the second string length. That means they are not anagrams. Okay. So here only it is telling that the given strings are not anagrams. Now run it once again. Keep and pick. Keep and pick. What is the length? First string length is 4. Second string length is also 4. So if condition will satisfy or if condition will not satisfy? Will not satisfy. If it is not satisfied, then what will happen? It will come to this logic. What I am doing here, S1 is my first string, S2 is my second string, S1 dot 2 char array, I got one character array A, S2 dot 2 char array, I got another character array B. So this character array, I am sorting. Why I am sorting? They will get in the alphabetical order. After sorting that, if they are equal, whatever the content present in the first character, present in the whatever the content present in the first array, it is present in the second array also. If they are equal, that is going to give you true. If it is not equal, it will give you false. True means anagram, false means not anagram. Save this program. Now, so, okay, already saved. Just run it. True. Matlab? Anagram. How can I get the exact statement anagram or not? Equals method will give me what? Boolean. True or false. Both are equal or not. If both are equal after sorting, content is same. That means all the characters of one string present in the second string. Simple example. Now I'm going to take keep. Keep. When I sort it, what will happen? When I sort this string, what it will become? EEKP. Right? EEKP. It is a alphabetical order. When I sort S2, EEKP, both are sorted. If both are equal, anagram. Anagram. Right. Suppose for example, if I give pigs, when I sort it, what it will become? EEKPZ. So this is equal to this or not? Not. Then they are not anagrams. So first I am sorting, then I am comparing. To sort the string, first I am converting into character array. How I am converting the string to character array? To char array method. We already discussed to char array. We already discussed sort method. Right. Arrays dot equals. It is going to give us the Boolean flag. Boolean flag. Now, if flag. If flag. What is if flag? Do I need to write? Is it required? No. Why? Flag itself is containing true or false na. Flag itself contains true or false, right? Why should I compare true double equal to true? Not required. Samjha? Right. Boolean flag. Arrays dot equals A comma B. If both characters, both arrays are same, this flag is just a variable. You can keep X also, no problem. Variable name can be anything. Boolean flag is equal to arrays dot equals A comma B. If A and B both are same, this variable will hold true or it will hold false. If it is true, if it is true, then I will print system dot out dot println. Both strings are anagrams. Both strings are anagrams. Now else, what I will do? Both strings are not given strings. Basically, I can say given strings are anagrams, and I will say given strings are not anagrams. All right. Check this. Compile Java C anagrams.java Java space anagram. I will give the text now. I will give care and I will give race. All the characters available in the care present in the race also? Yes. Given strings are anagrams. If I give keep And if I give peak, anagram. Now Java space anagram, I'm giving book and I'm giving bomb, not anagram. Given strings are not anagrams. Got it? Coding is a fun if you have that thinking ability. See here guys, from 0 to we are able to write 15 lines of code. In the within 1 month of time, we are improving. We are improving. By the end of advanced Java, we should be able to write 100 lines of code also. We should be able to develop one application on our own. Slowly we are learning. It is not fast. I'm not going speed. If I go speed, by this time I would have completed OOPS also. Still we are in the basics only. That means basics should be strong. Basics should be strong. Look at the code. Return I have given there. Return is there in the method. Na? When I give return, it will come out from the main method. JVM will terminate the program. Return keyword you will understand in the methods. Once I explain the methods, I will tell you what is method parameter, what is method return type and all the stuff. Today we had 3 hours class. Bore lag raha hai? Huh? How you are feeling now? What? Very energetic, huh? Huh? खाना खत्म हो गया? Can anyone share your experience? How you feel while writing the logic? Good or feeling depressed? Very good. Remaining people depressed. Q. Why? Not able to write, huh? Huh? Either exam night. Yes, that you will understand. Duplicate characters we have to remove. Yes, map, put method, contains key methods. Yes, yeah. In the collections we will understand that. But in the interview, they will not accept that answer. Once we complete collections, you will get that clarity. To understand collections, we need to understand OOPS. Everything is linked with OOPS. Arey, yaar, I will explain you that. Diamond, I will explain. Actually, today morning, I have prepared a question paper. In that question paper, I have given diamond program also. Today morning, whatever the question paper I have prepared, this question paper I have prepared today morning. But once I come to the class, I changed my mind and I have given only strings questions because the recent topic we completed is a string. This was the paper I have prepared actually for today's. These are the questions I have prepared actually for today. For writing the diamond program, we need to write 4 loops. I will explain that. Tomorrow I will explain that program. These are the questions. This is the question paper I prepared actually for today, but I know my people. Yeah. दूसरा क्वेश्चन पेपर चेंज हो गया. Completed, guys? Are you able to understand the anagram program? हाँ. Next exam का question paper also ready. Next one. Next program. हाँ, very interesting program. Yes. If I use third variable, why we need, man? Third class people will do that. Now, you need to take the input A, B. In the A, Java available. In the B, program available. But my output should be A should contain program, B should contain Java. Swapping. But don't use third variable. लिखना, लिख के दिखाओ. इंटीजर इधर तो माइनस करके दिखा सकते हैं यार. दैट्स वेरी इजी ना. इधर यू नीड टू डू विथ स्ट्रिंग्स. हाउ कैन यू कन्वर्ट द कैरेक्टर्स टू इंटीजर? नहीं होगा. I don't want the integers. I want to do this. This is my question. This also can be done in 2 lines. Think. Yes, string class methods only. Yes. Within string class only you have the method. By using that we can do this. हाँ? कौन सा मेथड? मैं क्यों बोलता हूँ? मैं एग्जाम दे रहा हूँ आपको. मैं क्वेश्चन दे रहा हूँ. Why should I give the clue? You have to write it. When you go for interview, when they ask a question, can you ask what is the answer? नहीं, आउटपुट आता है भाई. सही है क्वेश्चन. ट्राई करो, दिमाग लगा के सोचो. Everything is possible. If it is possible, then only I will give it in the question paper, right? If it is not possible, why I will give that? Jam हो गया mind? Yes. हाँ. Think. Anybody checking in the mobile internet? हाँ. Write a Java program to swap 2 string variables without using third variable. In your hostels, any friends you have who is doing Java full stack in other institute? Are you checking with them? Any difference you observe? Lot of difference is there. हाँ? टाइम वेस्ट क्यों कर रहा है? टाइम. हाँ, जाओ हो जाएगा यार. रॉन्ग इंफॉर्मेशन, रॉन्ग डायरेक्शन. हाँ. Now when it comes to the Java, they will tell that all these programs you already learnt in the C, na? Why to learn again? Sorry, I did not get you. Okay. And next time, 11 o'clock, one more Java full stack offline batch is getting started. I'm sure this time this room is not sufficient. That definitely people, now you people will tell to your friends, right? How you are learning. Huh? 2nd November. Diwali ke baad. Yeah, work on this. Java program to swap 2 string variables without using third variable. If you use third variable, there is no use. एक टेम्प वेरिएबल क्रिएट करना, इसका वैल्यू उसमें स्टोर करो, उसका वैल्यू इसमें स्टोर करो. No, I don't want that logic. Java program to swap two string variables without using third variable. No clue? Shall I try? By concatenating the strings, you can get it. No, no delimiter, no split. By concatenating that, once you concatenate, बड़ा string बन जाएगा. No, no need that. No need of that. Same variable में manipulate कर सकते हैं. Yes, yes, reassignment कर सकते हैं ना? No, string is a is there. I will override the a value variable. I will override the value of the a variable without creating a new variable. I told you reassignment. Variable को reassign कर सकते हैं ना value. By using the reassignment, we can do it. See here. Now, what is my requirement? You understand now? String A is equal to Java. Okay? Now, string B is equal to program. String B is equal to program. Now, I we do A is equal to A plus B. Am I using any third variable? Now, what it became now? It became Java program. It became Java program. How can you do it? Now A is equal to A plus B. Now in the A variable, what is stored now? A became Java program. A became Java program. What you are telling? B is equal to A. A value already modified here. Na reassignment ho gaya na? No. See here. Now here my total program is A is equal to A plus B. Then it became Java program. So here guys, what is the length of A? 4. What is the length of B? 7. Right? 3 plus 4, 7. Now when I concatenate, the length became what? 11. The total length became 11. Yes or no? Now if I do A is equal to A dot, A is equal to A dot substring of 0 comma A dot length minus B dot length. A dot length minus A dot length minus B dot length. What it will give you? What it will give you? Substring of 0 comma. What is A dot length now? A dot length already modify हो गया है ना, 11 हो गया ना. 11 minus 4. B dot length is what? B dot length 11 minus 7. 0 comma 4. What we are getting? Java. Now let me take this as like this. This one I will make it as B. I will making it as B. So when I make it as B, 11 minus 7, what it will become? 4. 0 comma 4. 0 comma 4 means what you will get? 0, 1, 2, 3. 4 is exclusive, right? Now in the B variable, what content is storing now? In the B variable, Java is stored. Then when it comes to the A variable, then what I do? A dot substring of What I will do now? Not required. Directly can I do b dot length? B dot length. What is the b dot length now? No. What is the b dot length? 4. B dot length will become 4. Then from fourth to last. Then it will become program. Program is storing into which variable? Here it will become b dot length. B dot length means what? A dot substring of 4. I'm giving only one index. From given index to last index. From given index is 4. From 4 to last means what will come? Program will come. So this is the solution. Yes. We are completely replacing that. If you don't replace, if you don't do this, then it is immutable. A is A plus B. That means the content we are concatenating, another string ban jayega. But here I am overriding that, right? The reference variable is overriding that. Now my reference variable naya string को point करते हैं. Replacing. हाँ काम नहीं कर रहा दिमाग अभी भी अब कर रहा है. Simple man. Simple. Observe. Let me write it once again. A निकालो पूरा. Now I have A and B. A is equal to Java, B is equal to program. I want to swap the data without using a third variable. How many variables already available? Two variables are already available. I want to swap them without using a third variable. For that, first you observe what is the length of A? 4. What is the length of B? 7. Now what I am doing is A is equal to A plus B. Now A का length कितना हुआ? 11. Because A variable is holding A plus B. A content plus B content concatenated and replaced in the A variable. The total length of A became 11. Now when it is done, what is the value available in the A variable now? What is the value available in the A variable now? Java program. This is Java program. Can I divide like this? How can I get this first one? 0, 4. 0, 4. A dot. How can I get 0, 4? I need to substring. My final string is prepared as a Java program. This Java program को हम दो part कर सकते हैं. I can take Java here. I can take program here. How can I get Java from this lengthy string? Based on the indexes. Start index and end index. How can I pass the start index? 0, 4. So what is the length I have in the A? 11 available. Can I do 11 minus 7? What is the 7? B length. A dot length minus B dot length. So substring of 0, A dot length minus B dot length. 11 minus 7. 0, 4. 0, 4 means what I am getting? Java. That Java can I store into B variable directly? Now B is equal to A dot. A is a lengthy variable now. 0, A dot length. A dot length minus B dot length. A length is 11. B length is 7. It will become A dot substring of 0, 11 minus 7. 11 minus 7. It will become A dot substring of 0, 4. When it becomes 0, 4, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now it is going to give me output as Java. Where I am storing the Java? My value dynamically आता है ना? We are replacing that. Overriding कर रहे हैं हमको. हाँ, A कर रहा है ना? Here B is equal to. So now B is having a program. If I get Java text into B, I don't care about the program. right? So you just look at this code, 3 steps, how it is executing. Now, first I have A is equal to Java, then I have B is equal to program, A value having Java, A is equal to A plus B. Now in the A, I am removing Java, I'm storing complete Java program in the A variable. Got my point, guys? So A is equal to A plus B. When I do A is equal to A plus B, A variable contains total Java program, total length available. Now, B variable not modified as of now. B variable I see है, ठीक है? Now, B is equal to A dot substring of 0, comma A length minus B length. Here, A length became 11. A length became 11. B length is 7 only. Now I am giving 11 minus 7. If I give 11 minus 7, what will happen? 4. Now substring 0, comma 4. That means in the complete Java program, I'm getting first 4 characters. Those 4 characters I'm storing into the B variable. Now from the 4th character to last characters I have to take. That's why substring of directly 4. Then it will give me program. Program I am going to store into a variable. This is what I am going to do. A is equal to A dot substring of B dot length. In the B already Java stored. Java का length 4 हो गया. So A dot substring of 4. This program will evaluate as A is equal to A dot substring of 4. A dot substring of 4 means from 4th to last character. 4th to last means it will give me program. So in the A variable, what data available? Program. B variable contains what data? Java. But actually I stored A Java, B program. Final output swapped. I'm point replace कर रहे हैं ना. If you directly modify, it is immutable. I'm replacing, I'm overriding that, reinitializing that. I'm reinitializing into that variable. Understand the solution? Possible or not possible? Swapping the strings also possible without using third variable. If you have grip on the length method, substring method, we can do it. What methods I am using? Concatenation method is plus I have used, substring I used, length I used. Logical thinking is required. So over a night, you will not become James Gosling. Understand? So slowly we have to learn this. So 5th program completed. 6th program, read it. Read the program. Write a Java program to remove all vowels from string. Don't ask me what is vowel. I have to jump from here. Note down the program. Write a Java program to remove all the vowels from the string. Write a Java program to remove all the vowels from the string. A, E, I, O, U should be removed programmatically. Program. Input is string. In that, A, E, I, O, U. Clear? Are you clear with the question? Write a Java program to remove all the vowels from the string. Yeah. Next one. Take a screenshot in the mobile, guys. That's fine. Or else I will post in the group. Next program. Write a Java program to reverse each word in the given string. Reversing each word in the given string. Counting number of words in the string. Right. I will post these questions in the group. Just try that before coming to tomorrow session. Tomorrow I will explain them. Chalo guys. Thank you. Thank you. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye.